Model year 2024 SHERCO launch. 300 SEF factory. The best enduro bike in the market. New 2024 graphics kit. New LED headlight. New front fender. New engine. Gear position sensor. Akrapovič exhaust system with titanium header pipe. New magnesium clutch cover. New swingarm. New frame paint. New wheels. New aluminium rear sprocket. New titanium intake valves. Blue diamond SELLE DALLA valve seat. KYB rear shock absorber. Amortisseur KYB. 6mm AXB skid plate. GALFER front brake disc. BREMBO brake system. Specs. Engine. 4-stroke DOHC. 4-valve SHERCO technology. Displacement. 303 cc. Carburetor. Synerject electronic injection. Cooling. Liquid with forced circulation. Start. Electric starter. Exhaust. Full Akrapovič exhaust. Ignition system. DC, CDI ignition with digital advance. Transmission. 6-speed 520 O-ring chain. Clutch. BREMBO hydraulic control, multi-disc in oil bath. Chassis. Semi-perimeter high-strength chrome molybdenum steel. Tank. Capacity of 9.7 L. Brakes. Hydraulic BREMBO 260mm O front, 220mm O rear. Front suspension. KYB 48mm closed cartridge technology. Hydraulic setting plus specific spring rate. Rear suspension. KYB shock absorber hydraulic plus specific spring rate. Front wheel. Excel 21-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro medium tire. Rear wheel. Excel 18-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro medium tire.